What's up, guys? I guess I want to show you all the horn, or the fire alarm that I did. Hooked it up to my existing switch. It lights up. If I hit that switch, the horn will come on. So I'll show you the horn first. I got wires coming up through here. Here's the power wire. It's for my lights, but I just switched it over to the light. I grounded my light, the white wire. I'll show you now. I'll take y'all down somewhere, I guess. I'll take you on the telephone pole. Oh, no, it's not funny. It's more annoying than anything. I might try to hook up the other one. See, it lights up much. Oh well. Alright, that's it, guys.